Hey there, I'm Kitchen Kimberly, and today I have a scrumptious recipe to share with you. It's my butter bean and pasta skillet. It's the perfect plant-based recipe to enjoy for lunch or dinner. Plus, it's quick and easy to prepare. Let's cook.
I'm Kitchen Kimberly. I'm a cookbook author and professional recipe developer. My husband and I recently transitioned to a plant-based lifestyle, and now my mission is to help others do the same. Subscribe to this channel and join us on our plant-based journey. This simple recipe starts with 1 cup of cooked whole grain pasta. Just cook it according to your package directions, and you can use any type of pasta you like. Today I'm using brown rice rotini, but any small shape pasta will work just fine. Meanwhile, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, I'll add 1/2 cup of vegetable broth. While that heats up, I'll grab some veggies from the fridge. If you missed my How to Stock Your Fridge video, I'll link that in the description box below. I keep chopped bell peppers in the fridge for salads, stir-fries, and quick recipes like this one. We want a total of 1.5 cups of chopped bell pepper, so I'm grabbing a mixture of green, orange, yellow, and red bell peppers for nice color and flavor. We'll saute those until they're tender, about 5 minutes. That gives me time to chop some mushrooms, and you can use any variety you like. My favorite for this dish is cremini mushroom, also known as baby bella, which adds a nice deep savory flavor, and they only need a minute or two to cook. Next, we'll reduce the heat to medium and stir in 1 can of diced tomatoes. Today I'm using fire-roasted tomatoes, which add a slightly smoky flavor to this dish. Now for extra richness, a tablespoon of tomato paste goes in, and our seasonings: garlic powder, onion powder, basil, oregano, and black pepper. While that simmers for about 5 minutes, I'll drain and rinse a can of baby butter beans. They're super creamy in this dish, and they have a nice delicate flavor. Feel free to substitute any canned bean you like for this recipe. Everything from a kidney bean to a black bean works just fine. In go the drained beans, as well as some nutritional yeast for a burst of B12, fiber, and protein, as well as nutty, cheesy flavor. And for color, I add chopped fresh spinach, but you can also use finely chopped kale. We'll add another 1/2 cup of vegetable broth and then just give it a quick stir and let it simmer. When your pasta is cooked, drain it and put it right into the skillet. Cook just a few minutes longer or until the sauce has reduced and thickened just a bit. And then sprinkle with fresh parsley just before serving and enjoying.
Now, wasn't that an easy recipe? If only every night could be that simple, right? I hope your family enjoys this recipe as much as mine does. And make sure you get that recipe on my website, kitchenkimberly.com. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new plant-based video to share with you. Remember, you have the power of your own good health right there in your hands. Just look at what's on the end of your fork and make sure it's plant-based. I'll see you next time.